Hey y'all, it's Tucker again. As you can see right here, I got a box. Who's it from? Hobby King. I got a Hobby King box. They have a big sale right now going on, and yeah, I just purchased a few things for my buggy and stuff. So right now we're gonna open it up and see what all we got. All right. So far, what I see is. Oh, sorry. Alright, first thing I see is a lot of paper. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, I got the new wing for my BZ222 buggy. Awesome. I ordered a new body. Just, I think the paper likes y'all. Ordered a new body, just so I can have a spare body. Ordered some shock springs, some front springs, and rear springs. Oh, that's nice. They gave me a free Turnigy, like a sticker thing. Well, it's not even a sticker. It's a kind of like one of them emblems that you see on the back of a car. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Hobby King. I got a new LiPo charger. Nothing wrong with the one I've got. It's the Venom Pro 2. But I just wanted to have a backup just in case something ever did happen to it. Don't know where you open this thing at. It's by Turnigy it's a B6 1 to 6S charger. Nice little compact charger, as you can see. Get it out of here. Let's see. Yeah, it's a nice little charger. Very solid feeling. I'm going to do a more in-depth review in maybe the next video on this, and let's see, what else did I get? I got a paper from Hobby King. Honey Badger don't care. I guess that's just something they throw in. Anything says find anything that's powerful and aggressive as Hobby King's Turnigy brand. Bonus points for real honey badgers. Stick the Turnigy badge on it. Take a photo. Post it to into our Facebook page. Hashtag honey badger. Just some stuff that you can like win stuff and everything, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's everything I got in here. As you can see, I've got the charger leads. I don't have anything that fits this plug, but I do have my other plugs, and this is the one you can actually plug into a car. I'm pretty sure I can find one that well, maybe not. It says 11 volts to 18 volts, so I can plug this into my truck or car or whatever I can find. Plug it in, and it should work fine. But yeah, let's see here. I got the instructions right here. I'm gonna put that aside. If y'all don't remember the BZ222 buggy, in fact, I got it right here. Still, believe it or not, still haven't ran it yet. I don't want to. I only want to run this thing on dirt track, and just haven't had time to run it yet. And now that the racing season is back in, I'm going to try to run it as much as I can. I got some springs for it to, modify the spring, this suspension and stuff, just in case I ever need the suspension tuning and stuff. And like I said, I got the wing and the body right here. What color you think I should paint this body? Comment below what color I need to paint it. I'm thinking maybe something similar to the one I got, but a little bit different. Maybe like a purple or something like that, orange, anything like that. I'm a Clemson fan, so purple and orange might go with that. But yeah, the charger was like $10. The body was like 10. The wing was like $4 or $5, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna do an in-depth review on the Turnigy charger next. And yeah, this is my unboxing of the Hobby King on sale stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.